Well, I was going to tell you about Enor Elephant and bombs, because there's a lot of bombs, and there's so many bombs, and I tell you, there is, well, bomb. All of these bombs are made not by Enor Elephant. These are not Enor Elephant's bombs. These are... I just have more bombs. I just have more bombs. I, in fact, need a doctor. Now, this doctor, he is a bad doctor. So we have to take this doctor and, I don't know, we'll make him into a bad doctor. Hello, doctor. You are, how do we make him into a bad doctor? I don't really know. Here, we'll give him a monocle. This is monocle, and it goes like this. And that's his he's got like one eye covered. Maybe he's I don't know. That's not good. That's no good. I think we need just like this. Green, black. He has one little eye like that, and he's like, and he's got his little one glasses. Instead of like two glasses, he's just got one. He's just like this. I see you. And then he has, I know what he needs. Because he is evil, he needs these little horns. He's like a monster. He's like a monster. He's not cute. He is a monster. He's like this. I am Dr. Evil. He's like, I'm the evil doctor. So he is very bad. So I'm going to write his name because his name is... his name is Dr. Evil. So we go Doctor, and then evil. And evil is very, 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 very bad. So evil guys are very, very, very bad. Bad. So he is Dr. Evil. Oh no. Oh, so Dr. Evil. Well, first we need... No, Dr. Evil! I have the wrong button here. Oh no. That means Dr. Evil's not going to work, I think. I think we'll have no Dr. Evil. No Dr. Evil! I have to make Dr. Evil again. Fine. All right, Dr. Evil. Here you go, Dr. Evil, like that. And then some horns on his head. Horns on his head. Shh! Shush, Miss Shirley. You are silly. All right, and then I have to write Dr. Evil again. All right, whatever. Dr. Evil. All right, there we go. Dr. Evil. He is so cute. No, he is so bad. So very bad. All right, Dr. Evil, you go like this and haha. Okay, now we should have Dr. Evil. Yes. Doctor, you go away. Bye-bye, Doctor. Now we have Dr. Evil. All right, we're going to make Dr. Evil a little bit smaller. He is very cute, though, isn't he? He's cute for a bad guy. Yes, Miss Rainey? Yes, he's got some stuff up there, but it's okay. Now, Dr. Evil, whoa, no, don't go so small. Now, Dr. Evil, he says, ha, look at all of my bombs. Ha. I have lots of bombs. But Dr. Evil, he's not happy with just 1, 2, 3, 4 bombs. No. Dr. Evil wants lots and lots and lots of bombs. hundreds of bombs. So Dr. Evil, he says, I'm gonna make, Enor Elephant, you go over there. I'm gonna make a bomb machine. A bomb machine? Now I'll show you. The bomb machine, it goes like this. It's like big, and it says, and you put, I don't know, let's see. We'll give it a big red button up here. No, it's a red button. Why would it be purple? And then when you push the button, you go, psh, and then out here, you get a bomb. It goes, here's a bomb. And it goes, pew, and then there's bombs. And you have another bomb. And over here, I think you should put something in. Yes. We should have a little place over here where you put stuff in the machine.
Bomb.
What do you put in the machine? No, but you get a bomb out of the machine. See, over here comes the bombs. They go boop-a-doop-a-doop, and you go, yay, I've got a bomb. And there's a little door over here. And then the door will go open, and then out comes a bomb. But here we put in, I know. We put in some dirt. Here, we'll just put in some dirt. There we go. You just picked up some dirt off the ground, and then you put it in the machine, and then you hit the button, and then bombs! Then you get lots of bombs. And it is the bomb machine. So I will write bomb machine. B-O-M-B machine. All right, there we have our bomb machine. All right, Dr. Evil, your bomb machine is so beautiful. All right, let's take our bomb machine. Uh-oh, we have Dr. Evil. Dr. Evil will be part of our bomb machine. Okay, here's our bomb. Uh-oh. There's Dr. Evil. Let me fix that. I know how to fix this. We just need some. This is no good. This is still no good. All right, bomb machine. I need to get rid of your Dr. Evil. Dr. Evil, you go over here. Okay. Now you look. I could use magic to magically make Dr. Evil disappear. Bye-bye, Dr. Evil. Haha. Now we have our bomb machine. And we just need to go doot, do, and we will have a bomb machine. We gotta get that little bit, and that little bit, and voila! Our bomb machine. Okay, this bomb machine is the bad bomb machine, so we'll get rid of that one. And this one is our good bomb machine. See, it can make lots of bombs. And we can say, hooray, bombs! Bomb, a bomb, and then more bombs. And of course, Dr. Evil, he says, I have so many bombs! My bomb machine, it goes bomb, 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 and more bombs, and more bombs. This bomb machine is so good. Yes, Mrs. Shirley. It doesn't matter. He's just, anyway. Dr. Evil, he is very happy. And do you know what he's gonna do with these bombs? He's got all of these bombs. And he says, oh, more bombs. Oh, all right. And our bomb machine, let's put our bomb machine, we're gonna put our bomb machine over here. Shirley, quiet. All right. Now Dr. Evil, he's got all of these bombs. He says, ha 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 ha. Now I can, I can put bombs in a, Aha, Huh?
Building.
Oh no! Here's a big, tall building. Oh no. And Dr. Evil, he says, I'm gonna take my bombs and put them in the building. There. They're small bombs. And small bombs. And make them smaller. Because otherwise. Yes, and then they will go boom. And then when we put our bombs in the building, they will all go kaboom. So he says, I'm gonna put some bombs here. I'm gonna put a bomb up here. I'm gonna put a bomb over here. I'm gonna put a bomb in here. And he says, ha 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 ha. Oh no. Well then, the building is gonna go, kaboom?
Kaboom.
Kaboom! But wait, we have a good guy, Enor Elephant. Dun, 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 dun. Enor Elephant. Now, our good guy, Enor Elephant, he says, I'm gonna... Wait, well, he doesn't even know that there's bombs yet. Somebody has to discover the bombs. He has to say, oh, look, oh no, there's a bomb, ah! We have that guy. He is the elf. The elf. This elf, he is the elevator elf. Now, do you know what an elevator is? I will show you. The elevator, yes, that's right. So this is the elevator elf, and he lives in the elevator. And the elevator, it goes, the elevator, it goes up, and then it goes down. So it goes ding, and then the doors open. And it's true. You need buttons, and you have to have like a little, some buttons over here, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you hit the buttons. And then you hit the buttons, you go bing, 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 bong, bing, bong. I want to go up. Bing, bong, I want to go down. So he lives on the elevator, and he's always going up or he's going down. So he's going up, ding, down, ding. And then he stops up here on the second floor, and the doors open. And he looks out of the elevator. He says, oh, look over there. It's a bomb. Ah! Oh no. The bomb is going to explode. Ah! So he's really scared. This elf here, he's a really scared elf. He says, oh no, a bomb. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Well, you see, this elf, he's a scaredy elf. So he sees the bomb, he just pushes the button, beep, 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 and closes the door. And so the door closes, and he goes up the elevator. But then he takes his phone, beep, boop, 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 and calls his friend, Enor the Elephant. He says, hello, Enor Elephant. Yes? What's the matter? I have a bomb in my building. A bomb? Ah! That's what Enor Elephant says. And then, it is not Dumbo, Mrs. Gemma. It is not. Now, Enor Elephant, he says, I'd better go to this big building and find where those bombs are. Well, so then he goes to the building. He says, I'm gonna look here. Eh? Hey, where is the elf? Oh, I think the elf must be upstairs. So he doesn't take the elevator. See this the elf is here on the elevator, and he's going up, and he's going down. But Enor Elephant, he is taking the stairs, so he has to go up the stairs, and then up some more stairs. Beep, boop, more stairs. More stairs? Oh no. Then Enor Elephant will be really tired when he's climbed up all of these stairs. You see, he's got stairs and stairs and stairs, and he has to climb up the stairs. He has to go, I'm gonna go. Ooh, Teacher John has some stairs. Wait. Teacher John has, da-da-da. Ha-ha! Do you like Teacher John's stairs? Teacher John's stairs are really good. Let's see. I'm gonna go. No, Enor Elephant will go up the stairs. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Hey, that's pretty good. And then Monday Mike can go up the stairs. What do you think Monday Mike will do on the stairs? I'm going up the stairs. Oh yeah, dum dum dum. Ah, boom, and then he fell down. And he just, anyhow, Enor Elephant, he is going up the stairs, boom, 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 and he's really tired, boom, 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 boom. And then he gets over here, and just as he gets over to the elevator, do you know what happens? No! The elevator door, it closes. And then the elevator goes down. And so, let's see. All right, here. I tell you what. We're gonna keep our elevator, our elf in the elevator. We're gonna keep our stairs. Okay, that should be okay. Here's our elf in the elevator, and our stairs. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. We got our stairs. We got our elf in the elevator.
Elf.
There's our elf in the elevator. Okay.
Elf.
All right, there we go. So Enor Elephant, he climbed up to the 4th floor. He says, I finally made it. And the elevator goes down. Ding. And sure, why not? There's 2 elves now. We have the little elf.
Elf.
We have the little elf and the big elf. Yes. We have the brother elf and the big brother elf. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We can have the daddy and the baby elf. It doesn't matter. So, Enor Elephant, he says, I'm so tired. He's like, I'm the most tired guy ever. I'm tired. But I have to go down to the 2nd floor. Okay. Do. And now he's at the 2nd floor. And the elevator goes up. Oh, no, elevator, you don't go bigger. Ding. Now it's on the 3rd floor. And Enor Elephant says, oh my goodness, I gotta go up the stairs. I made it. Ding. And Enor Elephant, he yells, I'm so angry! Stop going, elevator! You bad elevator! But then, Enor Elephant, he thinks, and he says, aha! What if I just push the button? You know, there's always buttons on the elevator, and you can push the button. If you say, you push the button if you want to go up, or you push the button if you want to go down, right? You got the up button and the down button. So Enor, he just goes, up button, down button, both of the buttons. Because he's angry. He's like, I need a button, I need the elevator. And then the elevator comes up. Ding! And the door opens. And hey, look!
Elf.
there's the elf. And Enor Elephant says, "Ah, elf, where are the bombs?" And of course the elf says, "Oh, there are bombs all over the building. We have so many bombs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 bombs." And Enor Elephant says, "Ah, 4 bombs! No!" Go pee pee then. Well, all right, no problem. You can do that too. Now, I tell you. Well, then I tell you what on this elevator. I tell you what happens. All of a sudden, this bomb, it goes kaboom, and oh no, it goes kaboom, and you know what happens to the elevator? The elevator goes, and also the kaboom goes like that. The elevator falls down. And then Enor says, oh no! And he says, "Elf, are you okay?" And the elf over here, he says,
Elf.
"I'm okay." And then his daddy says, "I'm okay." But now you know what Enor has to do? Enor has to run up and down all of these stairs. Oh, not again. He still has to go. He has to go on these stairs, and he has to go up, 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 up. Hey, there's a bomb. And then he throws the bomb. Here. Kaboom. There you go. Kaboom. There, he threw the bomb, and it went kaboom. And then he has to go down. Oh, there's a bomb. Kaboom. And then climb up the stairs. Up the stairs. Oh, there's a bomb. Kaboom. I gotta do down the stairs. Hey, a bomb. Kaboom. Phew. Now, are there any more bombs? No. He cleaned the building. There's no more bombs. These guys are okay. He just Enor Elephant, he says, "Oh, elves in the elevator, I will take you and, uh-oh. Bomb, 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 bomb. See, all of our bombs are just no more bombs. And our kaboom is no more. And then Enor Elephant, he says, "Oh, let me fix your elevator." Beep, 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 beep. There you go. Now they're okay. Now they're okay. And they have to go away because they're finished. We're finished with the building. Goodbye, building. Goodbye, elves in the elevator. Goodbye, buttons. We're finished with these guys. Now, Enor Elephant has to do something about Dr. Evil. I'm Dr. Evil, and I have so many bombs. Look at my bombs. Oh yeah. Yeah, you see Dr. Evil here with all of his bombs. He's got so many bombs all over his head. I think Dr. Evil will make himself explode. What do you think? I don't know. Well then, Then Enor Elephant, he says, "Wait a minute, I am hungry."
Eat breakfast.
Time to eat breakfast. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. No, he's eating breakfast. He's not eating the people. Shh, shh. He's not eating people. He's eating breakfast. Just like this girl.
Eat breakfast.
She's eating her breakfast. And he goes, "Oh yes, time to eat breakfast." Yum, 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 yum. And then, you see, for breakfast, he says,
Apple juice.
he says, I'm going to drink some apple juice. And then Dr. Evil, oh no. Dr. Evil says, "Ha! I will give you, I will put a bomb in your apple juice." So he puts a bomb right in his apple juice. And Enor Elephant is drinking the apple juice. He goes, and he looks inside his apple juice. He says, I see a bomb in my apple juice. And then he gives the apple juice to Lawrence, and then it goes kaboom. And then it goes kaboom. Oh no. Our apple juice went kaboom.
Kaboom.
Oh no.
Bomb.
Oh well. And then Enor Elephant, he says,
Eat breakfast.
I guess it's not time to eat breakfast. Oh well. But then Enor Elephant, he says, la 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 la. Oh look, up there in the tree. Up there in the tree, it's a tree. And you know what's up in the tree?
Tree.
Up in the tree is a kitty cat. There's a kitty cat in the tree. Cat, where's the cat? Huh? Okay, there's no cat in the tree. There's a dog in the tree.
Dog.
Meow. And the dog says, meow, 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 help me. Huh? That's right. The dog, he says, meow, 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 help me. No. All right, fine. The dog. Are you guys? Shh, shh, shh. All right, the dog up in the tree. He says, woof, woof, woof. Help me. Well, and then Enor Elephant, he says, oh, okay, I'm going to go up the tree and I will help you. But then Dr. Evil throws a bomb at the tree. And then the bomb goes kaboom! Oh no! Kaboom! Shh. And then, do you know what happens to the tree?
Kaboom.
When the tree goes kaboom, then the tree goes wow, it's a rocket tree! It's a rocket tree! And then, oh no, Enor Elephant is up so high. He says, help me! I'm up so high. It's okay, he's up there. And then Dr. Evil, ha 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 ha! I got rid of that Enor Elephant. I am so cool. No! Bad, evil. He's so bad and evil. Oh. But then, oh no! Here comes I don't know. Then there's a cave. Let's get our cave over here.
Cave.
And you know, and well, Dr. Evil, he says, hey look, there's a cave. I'm gonna put a bomb in the cave. Ha ha ha. And so he takes a bomb and he puts it in the cave. And then and then you know what happens? This bomb, it comes back and goes whoop, and then it goes kaboom right in his face. And Dr. Evil, he says, this cave is very bad. I'm going to throw another bomb. He throws another bomb. And then that bomb, it also comes back. And kaboom right in his face. And then, all right, then Dr. Evil maybe I think Lucas is right. Dr. Evil. Dr. Evil, he's bleeding. His face is... he's bleeding. He says, no, you, who is in that cave? Do you know who's in the cave? Maybe it's somebody who's really strong in the cave. Maybe Enor Elephant is in the cave. It could be Poo-Poo in the cave. I don't know. Well, all right, so Dr. Evil, he's really angry. He says, I have one more bomb, and I'm going to throw it. Actually, he has two more bombs. So he throws these two bombs. He's going to throw these two bombs. Bomb in the cave. Two bombs in the cave. He says, ha ha ha, this time I've got you. Ha ha ha. And then, bomb, bomb, and then kaboom! Oh no! Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom! And then Dr. Evil, Dr. Evil, he's fallen down. He's all right. It doesn't matter. Dr. Evil, he's fallen down. He says, who did that? Who is in the cave? Do you know who's in the cave? Who is so strong and so cool? It's not Pooh. It's not Pooh. It is. It is a secret. I'm gonna keep it a secret from you. It's a secret. Shh. I can't tell you. It is. Da, 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 da. Do you know what's in the cave? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! All right. Now in the cave, there was somebody who's really big and strong and scary, and he is a
Cave. Kitten.
meow.
Kitten.
Meow meow meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. And of course, Dr. Evil, he says, "Oh no, you kitten!" And then he is dead. Then there's no more Dr. Evil. Dr. Evil. No, he's just a cute little kitten. He's just going meow, meow, meow. Yes, Mr. Carl. Well, then, I tell you, Mr. Dr. Evil, he is gone. No more Dr. Evil. But our kitten here, our kitten, he says, I'm a really tall kitten. And he reaches up, and gets Enor Elephant, and then he pulls him back down, down. And then Enor Elephant says, "Thank you, kitten. You are so good. I love you, kitten." And then he gives him a kiss. But he's such a cute kitten. How can you not just... He's so cute. Oh, especially when he's big. Oh, he's so cute. Oh.